Hello, Miss Amigas. Hello, and welcome back to another video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to be going ahead and clean some of the stuff around my house because it's almost Thanksgiving and I want to go ahead and welcome whoever's going to come to my house and to get it nice and cleaned and ready for them so it can be nice and warming and welcoming. So there is a lot of stuff that needs to get put away. I do need to disinfect some stuff here in the kitchen and in my living room. I want to go ahead and start and dusting all around if I can. My couches have some dog hair that I need to get rid of. My daughter likes to put my little dog on top of the couch, so that's gonna get cleaned up as well. And I do want to say that if you guys start hearing some weird noises, it's because I did get a vacuum, and so it's doing its thing right now. It's moving all over the place, which is super good, and it's really helpful. I did get it about a couple of days ago, and we're just trying it out. My daughter is obsessed with it. She even has an app for it, and I'm looking over there because it's over there somewhere. So she has the app for it and she just loves it. She likes to put it on. She put the schedule on for our vacuum and stuff like that, and it has worked wonders for us. So hopefully I can share with you guys what it looks like. If you guys see it around the house, don't mind that, but that's the noise that's happening currently, the background noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the kitchen first because I have some dishes that I have to put away and wipe the counters down and stuff like that, because I want to have this Thanksgiving ready, and it is one of the holidays that does get overwhelming and it gets super messy depending on how many people you guys have over. So with this being said, I really hope you guys have a good holidays with your families and eat a lot of food. Let's get started with this video. So I don't know about you guys, but every time that I am at my house, my kitchen is the #1 area that gets super dirty every single day. And I literally feel like I'm in here most of the time of the day. But I tend to clean it up all the time. And what I'm using right here with this spray is my favorite solutions. I just put on mix vinegar and water, and that's it. I just like the solution. It's not toxic at all, and I love using it. It literally leaves the kitchen feeling or shiny and clean. I love it so much. If you haven't tried it already, you need to. All right, you guys, so this is my new best friend. So I did purchase this. Don't mind the inside, I've been using it like crazy. But I did buy myself this vacuum for Black Friday, and I will be using it right now to go ahead and clean up that mess over there. But this is the best thing I've ever gotten ever in my life. Like, I feel like every Black Friday I tend to buy a vacuum cleaner, but this is going to be my new best friend. I'm going to keep her, and it's just amazing. I just love it. It works so good. Like, I've tried other brands, like, I mean, the Dyson is really good, but you know, the Shark is my go-to for now on. It picks up and the dust super good, and it's just so amazing, you guys. I love her. And the cool thing is she's black, and I just love the colors. And if you guys haven't already, you guys need this. I did get her for $100, which is a killer deal because I think it's like 200 bucks that we're going for. And once it hit Black Friday, I was like, you know what, I need her. So this is my bad boy. I love her. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys how I use her around this area. Alright, you guys, so right here in this basket is where I keep all of my extra toilet paper rolls, just because I feel like in this little closet is a perfect storage area that I can just keep it in I can just restock when I need to. And I really love the idea of this basket, and I just think it's super, super useful. So what I'm doing right now is just restocking it, and then I'm gonna put it back. I just love this idea, and I think it's super organized and looks super, super cute. And by the way, this basket is all. I love it, and look how cute it looks. So this is my other bathroom, and please do not judge the gigantic towel that I have. 2 toothpaste there. That's not really not necessary, but you guys can't really tell, but I'm gonna just go ahead and disinfect this stuff right here using my Clorox wipes. And yeah, so I just want to have some towels out ready, and so that way we can use them and dry our hands properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping this away. Oh my gosh, mis amigas, so here I am using this mighty vacuum. I am literally obsessed with it. Like I said, told you guys, I love this vacuum so freaking much. It is one of the best purchases I ever purchased this year, and I am so glad that I did get it because it works so good, and you guys just need this vacuum. I just love it, and it's just the color, it's just really, really nice. I really, really like it, you guys. I love using it around my house. It just makes a huge difference, and here I am dropping it. Oops. But yeah, I love this vacuum so much, you guys. Best thing ever. Alright, my amigas, and that is it of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this super easy, quick video. It was super, super easy. Although I did not finish the dishes, I have to tell you that. I still have to go ahead and wash some more dishes just because some of the food on there was stuck on there, so I did leave them in water, and that's waiting for me right after I'm done talking to you guys. But I really hope you guys have a very good Thanksgiving with your loved ones, and by the time you guys see this video, it will be before or after Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys have a great one with your loved ones and eat a lot of food. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will talk to you guys until the next time. And let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below, what other videos you guys would like to see, because you know I love to clean around the house and just share with you guys, and you guys seem to like these videos. So I really hope you guys like this one. And sorry that I look like a total mess. I just haven't been wearing makeup for the longest time ever, and I'm just having a break from it. My skin needs it, and it's just healing from it. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time.